Hello friends, today I am going to make pasta. 300 gram pasta, 2 medium sized onions sliced, pasta masala, 2 medium sized chopped tomato, sauce 2 teaspoon, 8 to 10 green chili and oil. First we have to boil the water. Once it boils, then we have to add little bit salt and oil. I'm going to add salt, two teaspoon oil, now we are going to add pasta into it. Let pasta boil for a few minutes. Check, the pasta is almost ready. Now we are going to take another pan. Let it heat the pan. Now we are going to add oil. Oil is heat. Now we are going to add onion. Let onion cook for a while. Now we are going to add green chili. Mix it well. Now we are going to add tomato. Salt. We already add salt in the pasta, so we have to add as per the taste. Cook it for 5 minutes. All ingredients properly cooked. Now we are going to add pasta masala. Let it cook for 3 minutes. You can add chili sauce if you have, or you can add tomato ketchup also. Mix it well. Now I am going to put pasta into it. Cook it for 5 minutes. Then pasta is ready. Pasta is ready. Switch off the flame. Now we are going to take it in a serving bowl. Garnish with some coriander leaves. A yummy pasta is ready. Serve it hot. It's yummy. Please like, share, comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.